So here's the partial that we printed, and it's really easy to process it. Okay, we put a little resin in the socket. You just got to make sure it's in place properly. And then once it is, I got it. Hit it with the light, just to cure that resin for a minute. That'll kind of adhere the two layers together, the teeth and the base. Okay, and then the other side. Good. Once it's like that and stuck together, then you put like a little coating just to make it nice and shiny. Good thing about this method is that you do not need to polish it when you're done. Comes out fully nice and shiny when it's ready to go. It's really nice. Okay. Good. And then we put it in the oven.